Welcome back, POKÉCREW, and I have an Eevee V Tin to open for you all today. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below what kind of packs you want to open, but let's go ahead and get into this Eevee tin. I believe I've opened this up on the channel before, but I do not remember what packs come in this. We have the Eevee V promo card, Vivid Voltage, Rebel Clash, Burning Shadows, and Sun and Moon. Let's get into some Sun and Moon. Fire Energy, Double Colorless Energy, Corsola, and Ultra Ball. Dratini, Sandygast, Morlul, Fomantis, Surskit, Cosmog Reverse, and a Crabominal non-holographic. Get into some Rebel Clash. Fire Energy, Burning Scarf, Oleana, Luxio, Roly-Coly, Metatite, Grubbin, an Electabuzz, Natu, Palpitoad Reverse, and a Zamazenta non-holographic. Burning Shadows coming up. Let's get a chance at a Charizard. Oh, a Fire Energy, a Buffalont, an Electric, Simisage, Oddish, Mudbray, Sock, can't say his name, Wimpod, Gloom Reverse, and a Turtonator non-holographic. We have not hit one holo or V card besides the Eevee. So we got some Vivid Voltage. Let's hope for a little Chunkachu VMAX action. There we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We got a Dark Energy, an Aromatic Energy, a Mightyena, can't say that name, Ferroseed, Joltik, Sandile, Seedot, Pikipek, a Rocky Helmet Reverse, and a non-holo Vaporeon. Wow. Are we going to pull a holo out of this or what? Last pack. Let's see if we can get a little last pack magic in this Eevee V Tin. If you could, if you're still watching the video, please like, subscribe, share, and comment down below. That's 3 and 4. We have a Water Energy, an Electric, Kakuna, Loudred, a Galarian Meowth, Chimico, Blitzel, Slugma, a Beldum, a Reverse Sandile, and a non-holo Sheninja. So that's it for the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Unfortunately, we didn't pull anything good in this, so thank you all. Have a great night.